Hi, I'm Philip, a full-time freelance writer. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to start freelance writing in 2025, even if you have zero experience. So why 2025 is the best time? Because companies are hiring remote writers more than ever. Content, newsletters, AI-edited blogs, someone still has to write and polish them. And that someone can be you. Step 1 is pick one niche, for now. Don't try to write about everything. Choose one topic you can learn fast, for example, tech, health, finance, gaming, you name it. A clear niche makes pitching easier and rates higher. Step 2 is to create one solid sample. For example, write 1000-word article in that niche, format it neatly in Google Docs, and this is your proof of skill. No fancy website needed yet. Step 3 is to build a simple portfolio. You can upload that sample plus a short bio to a free platform like Notion, Card, or even a shared Google folder. Keep it clean, like name, niche, sample link, and contact email. Step 4 is to price yourself smart. For first gigs, aim for 0.10, 0.15 per word or 50 to 100 per 1000 words. Low enough to win work and high enough to be taken seriously. You can raise rates fast after a few projects. Step 5 is to find your first clients. 3 easy sources is LinkedIn search and looking for a freelance writer. We have ProBlogger or ProBlogging Pro job boards, and cold email 5 companies in your niche each day. Step 6 is to send short and clear pitches. We have a subject, for example, freelance, and you pick the niche here, for example, tech writer, quick value idea. And body to be 2 lines on their recent post, 1 line on how you can help, link to your sample, and polite sign off, and you are done. Step 7 is to deliver like a pro, so make sure to meet the deadline, follow their brief, and accept edits calmly. A great first experience often turns into repeat work. We have a step 8 to collect testimonials and raise rates. After you've done all these things, you can ask happy clients for one-line testimonials. Add them to your portfolio, and every 3 to 5 projects bump your rate by 10 to 20%. Some common beginner mistakes is waiting to feel ready and pitching 0 clients a week and charging pennies per word. Avoid these and you are already ahead. So let me just quickly recap this. So pick a niche, write one sample, make a simple portfolio, set a fair rate, pitch daily, deliver well, collect reviews, and raise rates. That's all that you need to do. If you want all my pitch templates and pricing calculators, they are inside my full 2025 freelance writing starter course, complete with a free ebook. You have a link below. And if this helped, like and subscribe. New videos every week to keep your writing business growing. And you got this. See you in some other video. Bye bye.